again, I wanted to introduce myself. I am the head of MOE. I have been working in GEMS, Cambridge, for the last 12 years. So I was leading the language department, Arabic, Islamic, and French. I also speak French. I went to many GEMS inspection. I review many schools in GEMS, even international in Egypt. Let me today speak to you about how you can support your child in Arabic and Islam. So our aim for this session today is to understand the Arabic and Islamic curriculum expectation and the strategic method to address the basic skills as well to share resources, material to support you as a parent. You can't hear me? But do you want to come here? Yeah, we have. If you want. Oh, okay.
Tested.
Okay, now this is better? Okay, so this is the curriculum expectation. Of course, we know that Arabic is compulsory for all Arab students and also for the non-Arab. So we are teaching the student from the Ministry of Education textbook for Arab student. Also, we have the national curriculum document. So in case you don't find anything in the textbook, that means this is in the national curriculum document. I will share with you the national curriculum document for Arab, for the non-Arab, even for Islamic. It will be available in the parents portal. Ms. Cassie, she will help us to download this. Okay, so this is for the Arab. For the non-Arab also, we are following the curriculum standard and expectation set in 2017-18 MOE framework for Arabic as an additional language, and also we are using some topic from the ministry textbook, plus we have the GEMS framework. And we are teaching, of course, all the non-Arab students based on the years of study from year 4 to year 8. Also in Islamic same, we are using the MOE textbook and the Islamic National Curriculum document, and our focus on improving student memorization and their ability to understand and recite the Holy Quran to be in line or above the curriculum standard of UAE. So this is what I will also share. This is the curriculum objective. This should be in each student notebook. What is the objective? So this will be for each year group from FS2 up to year 8. Also, I will share it with you, Kathy. So this is for Arabic and also for Islamic. And this is the framework for the additional language, for the Arabic as second language. So for each year, like if your child study for only 1 year, so this is the expectation in listening, speaking, reading, writing for every year. Okay. Yeah, this is something I just wanted to speak to you about this. So, of course, the Arabic teacher in the class, we are using the standard Arabic. So I know many of you, especially the Arab parents, they said like, my child cannot understand what the teacher said, but because we have in Arabic different accent, different dialect, so we always use the Arabic, standard Arabic. So give them time, encourage them, tell them, yeah, you will understand. By listening, of course, they will understand by time. And this will really help them when they will read and they listen to any news or media. So we have in Islamic weekly Quran lesson, okay? So this is something, every lesson, like they have 2 lessons per week. 1 lesson is only Quran, plus Tajweed. We have also Tajweed curriculum. We have the Islamic Treasure application. Each child should have username and the password. If your child still don't have this username and password, please let us know or let me know. And I will talk to you about the Islamic Treasure application. We offer Islamic ECE from this week from year 1 to year 8. So this is something also extra. We always share, every Monday, we share all the resources on CISO for beginner, for Arabic, for Islamic A, Islamic B. I know many of you can hear me without mic? Many of you already, they told me, we have a lot, we receive many things on CISO and you are confused. We are really sorry. But the problem on CISO, we cannot select a family. So that's why we can share only for the student, whatever resources, but for family, we have to select the full class. So you can just see, you know your child, the name of the teacher, so you can just see the resources come from your child teacher, so you can just open this. Okay, we are really sorry about this. Also, we share the weekly update on the newsletter about what the students already learned and what they are going to learn for next week in Arabic and Islamic. And as I mentioned, we are teaching the student according to their years of study. Here, I find 50% of the non-Arab students, they are beginners. They never learned Arabic before. So this is big challenge. So we open some classes from year 4, we have 0, they never learn Arabic so the student already learned from the beginning, which is something really good. So we supported them. We have this Arabic alphabet letter, and so they can see the letter, and the letter in the beginning, the middle, at the end, and even the pronunciation. We also upload some video about the sound for each letter, and we have also assistant teacher who support with small group. We have guided reading lesson for Arab and non-Arab every week. And we have Kotobi platform. I will show you what is Kotobi, and I will talk to you about this. All the Arab students should have already account, yes, and the non-Arab by this week, because there is some problem in the username and the password. So we will share with them the username and the password, and they will start to use Kotobi also. And we have also the Quran tracker on the Islamic treasure. I will show it to you in a few seconds. So I will not read all of this, but I just want you to really try to speak with your child how Arabic is important. I know even us as a Arab and as a parents, I have the same challenge. All the kids, they find Arabic is difficult, so please try to speak to them. Arabic is really important. We are living in Arabic country. If we are Arab, we must know Arabic. If you are Muslim, we must know Arabic to read Quran, and so Arabic is really important. So without this, we need to motivate them at home and also in the school, of course. So this is something very, very important. So this is some steps how you can help them also at home. We are doing everything here in the school. So you can just ask them to write story. From term 2, we will start to have some competition in Arabic, even cluster competition for Arabic competition for writing, we will have poetry evening. So please encourage them, even if they don't know, speak with the Arabic teacher and let them, all of them participate. I don't want to few of them know, all of them, they have the right to participate in any competition. So ask them, encourage them to write story in Arabic. They can also read with younger sibling. If your child has younger sibling, try allowing them to read story. You can have story time, okay? They can read from Kotobi. This is something very important. Let them make and create their own dictionary in Arabic. Arabic A or even Arabic B. Let them create, check the dictionary, how many words you write this week. So this is something also will help them to improve their vocabulary. Challenge your child to find word of the week. You can have at home word of the week station where you can choose any new word and find and use each week. In Islamic also, you can share Islamic story from Quran or Hadith to teach important lesson and value. Pray together. We have also here in the school like small prayer room, here 2 prayer room, so encourage them to come and pray during the prayer time. And encourage them to record the surah in Islamic treasure. And also the teacher, when they record any surah, the teacher can evaluate and send the evaluation to the student, and they can improve. And I will share this also with you now in a few minutes about the Islamic treasure. So all of you have Islamic treasure? Your child have Islamic treasure application, okay. So in Islamic treasure, they can also share the performance evaluation with the student, and they have askar. This one, yeah. They have hadith, they have salah, so they can track the salah if you can encourage them to pray every day. The Quran, there is competition between the student and between other classes, also they can do it. There is a game. All of them, of course, they like games. So once they achieve some target, so they can open games and they open another level for them to play. And of course, education video for any topic that they already learned. There is education video about the topic. Okay, this is Kotobi. Once your child already have account on Kotobi, when they open, they log in, there is a test. So this test will put the child in which level in reading, okay? Very simple test. So example, he will be in level A or level B. So if he already, the test said like he is in this level, so they will open for him, like I can show you. This is like one of the students I opened as a student, okay, to show you. So once he open and he log in, he will, it will be a test. So this is example, he will be in this level, okay? And in this level, he should read 49 books. Okay, so in order to move to the another level, so he must continue and read the 49 books, and in each book, listening, reading, and also some challenge, some quiz to make sure that they understand. And by the way, this is also, they have English and they have French, and all of this open for them. But of course, please make sure that they read Arabic and they, because this is like the main point. So there is many levels for them. And example, this boy, he already read 6 books, and he achieved 880 points. And also the teacher will receive, for each class, it will be like the hero of the week for reading. And the teacher also celebrate this in the class.
The test, where you can find the test, the initial test?
He already done the test. But when he just log in, it will be test first before he open this for him. Yeah. Okay. So it always come before he open any book for any student. He must do the test first. Yes.
This applicable for FS?
No.
Starts at year 1?
From year 1. Yeah.
Even if you
No, the book will be very high for FS. Yeah. FS, they still not, they don't know Arabic yet. Yeah, let me check with them if they open for FS. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let me check.